Don't ever take your photo right in front of your window up close like this. But instead, you want to angle it so that the light is 45 degrees from you. Then go to portrait mode. Then zoom out. Then click on the mode icon on the right. Then go to studio. Then make sure your slider is all the way up to the top at 7. Then click on the tiny sun icon. Then bring the exposure slider all the way down. Click on the countdown button on the left, extend your arm away as far as possible, and smile. Now open up your photo to edit. Then crop and zoom in so that way your eyes meet the rule of third line on the top. Then click on the 3 circle icon and select auto. Then slide all the way to highlight and bring it down halfway. Select shadow and bring it up so that the background isn't too dark. If you're too red, bring down the saturation just a tiny bit. Lastly, select the happy face and select the marker and write something sweet and send it to your loved ones. Okay, so I have my top 15 wedding photo actionlets on the Koji link below, and if you guys support it, I thank you so very much. And I also have an ebook for sale too, at $10 if that's okay. I do have a link below if you guys are interested in my little ebook on how to photograph weddings. I got photo samples and just all these things that you need to prep for, and it's a good guide to help you get ready for your first wedding or your second or third wedding. So if you do get it, thank you so much for supporting me and my family. And just real quick, guys, if you guys are interested in getting some free training videos on photography, video, drone, and all these things you can do with your camera so that way you can live the life of freedom, then go to my website, cameratofreedom.com, hook me up with your name and your email, and I will send you every once in a while some cool stuff. And if you do, welcome to Camera to Freedom, and I will see you next time.